Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can make stickers right here on WhatsApp. So now the first thing that we want to do is to go to your WhatsApp. Now select any conversation that you have and then go to message. Now just tap on sticker icon right here. And then you can see this option, create your own sticker. Just tap on that and we will now select any cute photo or any picture that you want to make a sticker. We can also add some text right here, for example, good evening. You can edit the picture right here, you can add some text, or you can also add some icons if you want. And now if you're done, just tap on the send icon. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.